2 of our Telegram mini app. We are going to be working on the JavaScript part. So this one will be tapping, increasing, decreasing, and some of these functions will be working. So let's start. I'm going to be giving this one a class name of score count. Like giving my JavaScript variable is sending selector. Okay. So it should be easier. Let's copy this one. Okay, we have not linked it yet. Script source JavaScript. Let's log out one to check if you are getting it. Okay, so we are getting it and it's working. Let's work on our function. Listing onto this our tab. Let's check listing. Adding a function to love calling inside function. I'm going to just add this one here. Let's see. Okay, it's working. It's working. So we'll be getting, this is what we are going to be doing. We'll be creating an element. We'll create an element inside this place. Then we like 1 1 1 1 1 1. So let's start by creating our elements. Let's create our H4. Since we have H2, H3, let's just create H4. Content. Let's just put one. Then we will append it to this one, to this element here. I've got a lot to append to it. So we are creating an H4 element and then adding one as test content. Let's see. Okay, you can see it here. So let me check out the style. I'm going to just add it here. Okay, so you're just giving it a position, absolute font size, stacking it on top everything, top, width, height, then select. So we are going to give this something to use the image too. Okay, so we should be creating, let's see, are we going to be doing like minus 2 to 2? Let's do 2. Cost particle, cost particle count 2. So we want it to be creating 2. Like it has an energy of 2. If it is in top swap, you will see like increase energy 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Create an event. Expecting. Okay, and as you can see, we are creating 2. So if we increase this to 3, creating, we'll be creating 3 at once, but let's leave it at 2. So now we see it's stacking on each other. So we want to give it something like random position. So this one needs to go this one, and this one should go on another side, so it will not be stacking. We are just seeing one, and if you click another one, it's fall like this, but we are just seeing a single one here. So we are going to be working on giving it a random position on each of them. So random, is the article starts on position. After the video, I'm going to add comments to each of them. So let's start by getting our start X horizontal position. So it's going to be E dot clients X minus star offset left. Starts Y is going to be client Y, offset top. So this the client E, client X is the position of our mouse click, like in the whole Windows. So this one is the relative position of the position of this tab count and its nearest positioned element. So something like if this one has if this tab count is something like a position absolute, then it will be getting the difference between this one and this relative position parent or something. But if it doesn't, then it will be getting like the whole document. So if we are doing this thing, it's going to be, let's check both of them out. Let's check both of them out. This one should be returning 0. The tab count. Okay, I told you it's going to be returning 0 because there is no parent, and this one is returning 144. Let's change the position. And it's be giving you if you change it. So far, change it. So, but we need it to get random. So you have to be getting a random number. Let's create it here. Function to get a random number. Let me just copy it. Okay. So this is going to be using minimum max to get our random number. So minus 50. 7 with start x, start y. So let's log it out. Let's just log out our start x. As you can see, it's getting like difference. We are using a loop, so it's getting like difference on that one instance. It's getting a different number. So let's do something like giving this our particle. Particle. Not start. Dot stop. Something like this. Particle. Click on it. As you can see, it's working. So to give it opacity, particle, dot style, dot opacity. So if you are getting it, you want it to also, as it's coming out, it's going to go back again, so it will not stack like this one is doing. It's up here. So let's working on the endpoint. Working on the endpoints. Okay. Let me use the same method as this one. I'm using the same method as this one. But you are going to be increasing this one, so there will be like more chance of it getting high. Because maybe if we do it a single time, it may get something like close. So we'll do it 100. And if we add it like this, it's not going to show. Let me show you. Add it like bottom. And left. This I'm going to see. It's not going to show. So let's do the X. Let me show you. But if you let's give it a set timeout. Set timeout of 500 milliseconds. Get this one. So yep. Actually do right. Let's do right. Opacity 0. Yep. So you have to do something now. You are going to be working on decreasing. Let's check on decreasing our accounts. Yeah, this thing is huge. So we are going to be also be removing this stuff, unless it's going to stack up everything in our website. Maybe you can do up to 200 and something. It's going to be giving like 204 H4. Let's crash your site. Okay. Let's crash your site. So I'll be doing it like this, ending this one, and getting particle remove, using this remove. So let's see. We will not be giving it this name, because if we give it this name, then it's going to be it's going to clear. So let's work on reducing and increasing our points. Get it to 0. Let's see. Check out. Let's check out our score points. Let's test contents. Content is less than 0, greater than 0. Yep. So less than or equals to 250. Let's do like this, because text content is a string. Let's change it to a to give us, let's convert it to a number. Yep. And then we are going to be decreasing it here. Let's start from our points. Counts was best contents equals to number. We are getting the text content is in a string, so you can do like 1 plus 1 to give you a level. Text content plus our particle count. So and then plus 2, and every time you click on here, let's check it out. Change it. Let me start afresh. I think it should be after the for loop. Should be here. Okay, this thing is not even to be, instead of increase, we are going to be decreasing it. Let's see. Okay, and it's no longer increasing, so this one, our condition is definitely working. So we are going to be working on, if you reduce, it's not reducing this one. Why? Okay, yeah, it's reducing it. So you are going to be working on, like, if you reduce it, we are going to be looking for a way to increase it. So we are going to be working on costs, renew, count, just like buying image in tap swap. Okay. So our renew energy is going to be something like, after everything, it's going to be just like increasing it in time. So let's get our sets interval. Set interval. And from there, if number score count dot s content is greater than or equals to 250. We are going to be clear. We are going to clear our interval, but else add it up to this. You will see it's going to draw an error if we call it anyway. Let's call it yeah. If time let's just call it on every single tab. Let me see. Okay, you can see. I told you there's going to be an error. So we have to move for this one stuff will crash. You have to move our particle count from here to here. Okay, and if it is greater than or equals to, let's do something like interval. You have to give it a name too. Let's time equals to this. There will be clear in our time. And then this thing I will do, I don't know if it's a good practice or log time. It's going to first of all show something like undefined. Then if you click again, it's going to show number, meaning it's assigning this. So we do something like if timer is so it's not going to show undefined. increasing it. Okay, we made a mistake. Instead of this, so it's like increase. Okay, it's working. 45. So if timer is undefined, it is undefined. Sorry. So we are having another issue. If it clears interval, let me log it out. Let's do it like this instead. This time else. Great. I don't know if it's a good practice, so let's see. Okay, it's working now. Let's just leave it like this. So now we are going to be working on saving our TG Minis app info. So it's not when, like, if it starts again, it's going to start from zero. So we'll be saving this stuff. Working on saving it now. Let's get our point. This is going to be a variable that we are going to be saving our points using the same. I just want to work on it, so if we click on this, you will not start from the beginning. It will just start from 12. So start by saving it with an event listener on load. This gets called when we leave our websites using local storage. I'm going to be working with local storage because we are going to use both on all this thing. It's going to require Node.js, which is out of the scope for our projects. So let's see. Also the windows dots load. This thing will now set it automatically. Load. This means when it gets load. Let's see, costs saved points. Okay, let's do this stuff. Let me see the application. 32. 6 easy, and this is the extra. First one before it gets added here. Checking if it's undefined. Oops, I'm switching for classes. Okay, so it's working. But we had an error. Now we have to check if this thing exists. So it's like if, so no add-on defined, and it's strange. So something like points dots. Let's count. Yup. Okay. Undefined. Delete. Let me log it out. Undefined. It's undefined, it shouldn't be going. Okay, very good. Request. It's not. It's undefined. Okay. Should I do it like this? It's not. But so it was very strange. Beautiful. Okay, it's working. So we'll be working on adding it, like getting the instead of using this default username, we'll be using it on our Telegram mini app. Teaching mini app workspace, our Telegram workspace. So if you just import this, make sure to import this script. I will drop the link to the source code, so you will see all this stuff over there. I'll upload it. Once you import it, I'll be using in group to reroute my stuff, because TG Mini app doesn't allow you using this local host. So then if you check the link in my description, or see how to convert your full website to TG Mini app once it's just mobile responsive. So that's the same thing you're going to do. You're going to copy this link now and then create a boot, edit the menu button. Let's delete this stuff. And again, I've already added it, so let's see. Visit. So because of space, I'm going to cancel it, this place. So let's check for our TG. If it's getting the window dot Telegram and window dot Telegram dot web cost user. Okay, but we need that. Save. You are getting the user object. Let me show you. So the user. Objects. So if we use JSON, the string okay, you can see it's giving us our ID, first name, last name, username. So we are going to be getting the username. So we're going to be getting user name equals to user dot name. Okay, dot user name. So let me check it out again. Yep. So you are getting it. So we'll be copying this thing and pasting it here. Instead of using this strange username, you are going to be using this one. And because we are also going to be using it outside this function, let's declare it here. Let's declare it outside. So let me see. It's not working. Let's do this stuff. Instead of using Windows or load, let's it's going to consume a lot of power, but this one is better. Okay. Point 24. Let's see. Okay. So we are going to be adding. Let's create another row to here. For the username, you can say something like adding the username here. User class name. User count. So if you also want to use the, instead of the username, the user ID as the key to this value, you can do it also. But I prefer using username. So in this our window, I'll do something like after this. What's test content post user. Just do it like this. Can say it. Yes, and it's on the. And these are mini app full. So you can just click. So if you want in a way to save it, then that means you'll be working with Node.js, saving all those users. But this is just for my PC. If you now log in with it, I'm going to share the link to the port for you guys to check, and also the source code for you guys to check out. So everything is just free and open for everyone. You can use it as reference for your own. So have a nice day. Make sure to subscribe and give a like.